Hey, who likes chicken wings? I love chicken wings. Today we're gonna cook them 3 different kind of ways. Leave in the comments below what kind of chicken wings you like. We might be cooking them next. All right, y'all, we're gonna coat all these the same. We're gonna use some salt, pepper, a little garlic powder, and some olive oil. And we're gonna just coat them like this, make that stuff stick, y'all. It's all gonna be good, trust me. We're just trying to get us a good base flavor up here. That's the reason we're doing it this way. We're gonna throw a little garlic powder in here. Actually, a lot of black pepper. Y'all like black pepper? I love black pepper. Black pepper kind of changes the taste of everything to me. All right, now I like this salt here. A lot of salt. Now the garlic powder, when you put enough of it on it actually makes a big crust like, and it is super good. We're gonna mix these a little bit and head on over to the Blackstone. We'll get them down there. All right, oh, I about forgot something, y'all. Got to add a little bit of olive oil on here. When I was a kid growing up, we didn't have chicken wings. When you went to the store, you bought a whole chicken and you had to cut it up. And to this day, I still do a lot of chicken cutting up, but now they got wings, breast, thighs, whatever you want separate. But when I was coming up, you didn't have that. So we didn't really eat a lot of chicken wings coming up, but I'm making up for it now. All right, y'all, this is gonna take about 20 minutes to cook. What we're gonna do is let them sit here. About every 5 minutes, we're gonna come over and flip them around a little bit, get them a good crust on them. Come over here, so let me show you what we're gonna do next. I said we was gonna make wings 3 different kind of ways. We can make our own dry rub. It's simple, it's easy to make. Watch this, y'all. The Blackstone steak seasoning. I'm gonna put a good bit in here because we're gonna use a lot of garlic powder, y'all. I like my garlic. That ought to be good. We got that. Now we're gonna put some sugar. Now you can put as much sugar as you want. Y'all, we're gonna put about a teaspoon of sugar, maybe a little tad more in there. Gonna mix it up real good. And that's gonna be our dry rub. You gonna see, it's gonna be good. Smells good. You smell the garlic, the pepper, everything in here. All right, y'all, the dry rub's done. We're gonna hurry up and wait. Probably go flip them wings. All right, y'all, it's been about 5 or 6 minutes. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, look at that. That's what you want. You want to put it on the floor and roll it around. You get that good seasoning on it and it's ready to go. I guarantee you never tasted nothing like this.
Yeah,
Blooper. All right, y'all, let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Look at that crust on that. That's what you want. We're gonna flip these on over. Ooh, boy. All right, y'all, we're gonna flip all these, but we'll be right back in a few minutes. We're gonna let these cook on 5 or 10 minutes, then we'll be ready to do something different. Oh boy, y'all, I think they're about ready. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're missing one. Never mind, we'll make it work. Hey, y'all, we're gonna put one set of these wings in this bowl right here. So we're making 3 different kind of wings here, y'all. Woo. All right, we're gonna set this here. All right, y'all, the first sauce we're gonna use today is kind of classic. It's Louisiana wing sauce, and it's good. All we gotta shook it up first. Now watch this, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and cut all these fires off, and we're gonna drench it. I'm talking about drench it on there. Y'all see that? The reason I like to do this on the griddle, see the glaze coming up on here? Y'all, it's all sticking. Flip them a couple times. All right, y'all, watch this. This is a roasted Japanese barbecue sauce. See if we can get a lot of this on there too. I'm putting a lot on here, but what it's gonna do, it's gonna caramelize as it reduces, and it's gonna stick to your wings. We're gonna turn it around and around. Watch this. All right, y'all, We're gonna get these wings off. We're gonna set them up. Look at that. Is that pretty or what? Ooh, y'all, this is looking good, smelling good. Now, we got our dry rub we fixing to stick on here. Y'all watch this. Shake it on here real good. Put a lot. Don't be scared. You're gonna throw that away anyway, so let's mix it real good. Make sure we get stuff everywhere. That's why Miss Janet likes me to cook outside. All right, y'all, we're gonna set this in here. Y'all, that's looking good. Y'all, that smells good. That's a good sauce there. Y'all, we ain't through yet. Watch this. Gonna put some of these sesame seeds on here, on the edge of wings. That's pretty what? Get some of these onions. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. But Miss Janet asked me to. She likes it because it looks pretty, like me. All right, y'all, we're gonna drop these down the buffalo wings. Look at that. Is that pretty? Y'all didn't think I could do that, did you? But I did. Look at that. Wings, 3 different ways. Y'all see me cook them. Now you can see me eat them. Oh boy, watch this, y'all. Y'all try to make some of these yourself. Let me know. Let me know in the comments which one tastes the best for you. Or if you got your own recipe, let me know. And we might try them next time. But these are super good. I know I like them. I don't know if y'all like them. Try them. All right, y'all. We see y'all later. I got to eat all this now. This is good.